Hi, I'm Debbie from OrCam Technologies, and I want to talk to you about this little genius solution we've pioneered that's going to completely revolutionize the experience of people with reading challenges. If you're watching this, it means you are holding one of these nifty devices. So congrats on getting your brand new, cool, fun OrCam Learn. You can use this incredible tech to boost your reading anytime and anywhere you want. Before you start using the device, you will need to charge it for about 3 hours, turn it on and download the app. Then follow the instructions on the app to activate it. Let's get started. As you can see, OrCam Learn is designed to be held like a pen, and that's how it should fit into your hand. This way, your index finger can easily reach and press any of the buttons. This button powers the device on and off. To press on, press until the LED lights illuminate, and then wait to hear the device's announcements.
OrCam is ready. Welcome to OrCam Learn.
To turn off, press until the device announces it is shutting down.
Shutting down. Bye-bye.
The plus and minus buttons control the volume, and during reading, they help you navigate the text by skipping back and forth between lines. To control the speed of reading, you need to press the trigger button and the plus and minus buttons. The trigger button is the primary button that you're going to use for all reading. To read any text, simply press and hold down the trigger button. Then position the rectangular laser frame so the desired reading area is within the laser framing box, and release the button.
Hello, early study of triangles.
A series of tutorials follows this video, which provide in-depth training and understanding of your device's abilities and settings, including using the buttons and voice commands.
Hey OrCam, tell the time.
Enjoy using your new device and feel free to contact us with any questions or issues. We're here to help you make the most out of your OrCam Learn.